Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will try to take one trade and will explain you in detail. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, we are on the live chart, and current market situation is that market was moving in the downward direction, but now it has broken its resistance level, and as you can see, market is moving upwards. So we will wait for a good trading setup, and we have one more chart here. In this case also, the market was moving in the downward direction. It is moving upward now. Let me add one more chart. Okay, here we also have a trading opportunity. So let me see where we can place our trade. Okay, there was a breakout, but we missed it. No worries. And okay, this looks promising to me, and let me draw the levels here. So this is a resistance and it's a support level, and market is moving, as you can see, in a box here. So what we need is a breakout, and if we have a breakout here, we will going to place our trade for sure. So let's wait. Okay, I'm constantly looking for the opportunity so that I don't miss anything. Well, yes, we can also place our trade with this level. We just have to wait for the right time. Nice. So let me draw a trend line here. Okay. And okay, here we have a breakout. So we will going to place our trade. I'm just waiting to place my trade here. I don't want to place my trade here. This will be wrong. So I just want some retracement till this level, then I will place my trade, because this is a clear breakout here. And let's wait. Market will, if market retraces some distance. Okay, no, it's not. Well, this is a breakout, so it might not reverse, but I will not place my trade here because this will be risky. I will place my trade like on this level. So I'm waiting. Okay, no, it's moving. Okay, see the volume. I guess volume is very low here. Let me see the 5-second chart. Yes, you can see the volume is very low here, and that's why market is not moving that quickly. It's moving very slow. Okay, nice. A little more. Okay, no problem. We will only place our trade at this level, otherwise no. because I don't want to risk anything. My strategy doesn't allow me to place my trade like here. So it's better to leave the trading opportunity if the criteria is not matching. As you can see, if I have placed my trade here, it could be a winning trade, but my strategy doesn't allow me to do so, so that's why I'm not doing it. Let's see what's happening here. Okay. So this opportunity is gone for now, and I guess I will remove this chart and will try to find opportunity in this chart, because I guess we have a strong level here and here also, and if we have a momentum, we can place our trade here. So I'm just waiting. Okay. And this is the recent resistance level. So what I need is a breakout from this level with a strong bullish candlestick, and I will place the trade. Nice. It is reacting as it is supposed to, but I need more volume. This will not work. Nice. Now this is what I'm waiting for. So what I need is the candle to finish, and we will going to place our trade. It's a strong candle. It's very, very strong. And so we have placed our trade here, and let me explain you the trade first, then we will wait for the result. As you can see, market was moving in a downward direction, but market reverses and changed its trend in a smaller time frame. I'm not talking about the bigger time frame, but for me right now the market is moving in the upward direction, and this was the resistance which was broken, which confirms us that market is now changing its trend. So I was very sure that market will go up, and what it did, market broke this level, it goes up, it reverses back, which is called retracement, and again at that very support level formed a strong bullish candlestick pattern, breaking its resistance level. So I was sure that market now will move upward in the future, so that's why I placed my trade, and that is all about this trading setup. And so now let's wait for the result, and that's it. So as you can see, we have won this trade, and I think I have explained the complete setup in easy language, but if you still have doubts in your mind, you can comment down in the comment section and I will answer it as soon as possible. And if you find value in this video, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep working hard, keep learning. Good day.